Hello wonderful people, today I will help you a lot how to remove your age skin spots in a very natural way with natural remedy that you never think or heard about it. This natural remedy is gonna help you a lot. Age or liver spots are the result of the lifetime accumulation of the sun damage. Every time skin is exposed to the sun, it is damaged by ultraviolet rays. This generates free radicals which set up an inflammatory reaction known as heliodermatitis. This inflammation damages skin structures and interferes with normal cell division. Enzymes released during the inflammatory processes are also thought to dissolve elastin and collagen fibers, leading to the production of the wrinkles, aging, especially age skin spots. This is probably number one cause of why you have age skin spots and much more. That's why I'm gonna today recommend you a plant called red clover that helps remove accumulated toxins for the body and reduce damage caused by the free radicals. At the end of the show, I'll give you the recipe for the red clover tea and the tincture. Translated, it means that it can help you remove old age skin spots. Red clover is a perennial herbal plant that is widespread throughout Europe, Western Asia and a part of Africa. It is known for the effective way of alleviating menstrual symptoms, improving bone mineral density, and reducing risk of the heart problems such as cholesterol and high blood pressure symptoms. It is used to treat inflammation and weak immunity such as cough, respiratory infections, and the skin disease such as psoriasis and eczema. This red clover is known for the hundreds and hundreds years and had a very good documented health benefits. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you, my dear viewers, my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is coming out soon. Much about my new book at the end of the show. It's especially for our skin, that's why I'm going to recommend you today. Why red clover is so good for our health? Because it contains a large quantity of minerals, vitamins and antioxidants. As I said, this is very well documented, and we right now know that red clover can help you remove your age skin spots in a very natural way. Research indicates that red clover isoflavones are effective in slowing down the signs of aging on the skin, such as age spots. Red clover has anti-inflammatory properties, promotes collagen formation and wound healing. It also improves the health of the skin follicles, scalp and the nails. Red clover is used to prevent and treat respiratory infections such as cough, colds and asthma or bronchitis. As an antioxidant, also with red clover, I'm going to recommend you to take selenium for the skin damage. This is another recommendation that is going to help you a lot. This skin damage that you will get from the sun exposure, usually you don't have a good quality, or you have selenium deficiency. Also probably you have deficiency in vitamin C. Selenium and vitamin C is going to help you a lot. How you going to make tea from the red clover? Put 1 to 3 tablespoons of dried red clover flowers in the liter of the hot water. After 15 minutes, you can take dried flowers out. Drink the tea 3 times a day for the days in a row, then stop. Red clover tincture. Make the tincture by putting dry red clover flowers in a jar and pouring 80% alcohol over the flowers, so that they are all covered. Close the jar and place the tincture in the dark place. Keep the tincture like for these 6 weeks and shake it occasionally. If necessary, add more alcohol later to cover the flowers. After 6 weeks, open the jar and squeeze the flowers through chestnut cloves in the clean jar. And this is a way how you can make red clove tincture. Of course, you can buy it organic, especially red clove tincture. It's gonna help you a lot. So you can drink tea, you can take this red clove tincture. Is gonna help you a lot with your skin damage. Usually when you take a red clove tincture, it's going to be 2 till 6 milliliters each day is going to be recommended daily dosage. So red clover is very good, powerful natural plant. It's going to help you removing your age skin spots. Of course, with the selenium, also with vitamin C, practicing each day something called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is probably the best way to get a young, full skin without wrinkles, also without age skin spots. A lot about intermittent fasting. You can read it in my first book that is called Intermittent Fasting, Secrets of the Health and Longevity. This is the book right here. And also I'm going to recommend you one more information. It's something called coenzyme Q10. It's maybe one of the most powerful antioxidants in our body. You can buy this coenzyme Q10 cream. This cream, you can put it on an age skin spot. It can help you remove your problem. So this is my recommendation for you. Of course, wonderful people, if you have any kind of suggestion how you are removing your age skin spots in a very natural way, please comment below. Thank you for following me. Of course, see you in the next video. Bye bye.